paluda pang ano daw yun sa ano yung magkakaiba? Kasi para ng box yan pero magkakaiba ng itsura. Parehas lang itsura sa isang bago.
Jennifer, I want you go there or Mallu go there. One is go there, but you both are don't go there.
No, she said I will go to bridal, so I go there.
This is not good, Mallu.
Why not good? Last party, bridal. This one is the big doctor. That one.
There is only 30 people.
Special that one.
Oh, this is VVIP for the honor of this company.
This one is.
Okay, it's up to. Ah, my darling, come today.
Kinakukunin mo yan. Kasawang mo yan. Tato nito, tato nito.
Hello. Hello. Hello, hello, hello. No, no, no.
How are you?
Hello. She's my darling.
She's mine now. Not you. May scissor ka ba, be? Ito.
Mas malaki to, te.
Sabi yun. Bibigyan. Apple, taray ko apple. Bawasan. Ang Rose pala na dyan. Rose na mo na dyan. Yung
malaki.
Oo.
Itong maliit.
Tatlo na lang yan. Ayan na. Tatlo.
Karpate.
Cocktail lang ba kayo? Little. Cocktail, ano pang drinks inyo? Ay, labas na natin.
Ito, wag na to, te. Babalik na lang yun.
Maliit pa mang bahay mo. Kala ko naman napakabigat. Pang rose na yun yun. Dalawa. Akala ko lang dalawa na lang dalhin nyo.
Sige, tatlo to isa.
Tatlo. Sa inyo ba ito? Yan ang sa amin. Sa amin din to.
No, pray. No problem for us. You know. You know, Sir Musa, you know, Sir Mallu did not know all.
Yeah,
You know.
Must be Mallu there.
Yes. But she did not go there.
Kanino ba to? Mallu!
Hi, say hi. How are you? Alhamdulillah.
You are doing vlog?
Yeah.
Oh my God! You make for me on your vlog.
You subscribe my channel, okay?
What's your channel? I mean,
Education is nice, Sarfraz. Okay?
interview this lady crazy.
Okay. Okay.
Give me your channel, YouTube channel.
Okay.
So I can subscribe.
Open.
I don't have internet.
Here is our internet scan.
Give me your number. I will text you later.
Jennifer.
Jennifer.
Give my number. Take it. Don't say anything, Jen.
She doesn't want to give me. She don't like to take me here in the.
I tell many times. Where is she? But we don't have work now, that's why.
Yeah.
Now, alhamdulillah, we have work. She call off. And also, Anji.
Yeah. Long time I did not.
Yeah. Lula, we need more gawa. Now finish? All? Alhamdulillah. Lula, meet my friend. No. Talk. Not from Pakistan. Where?
Ito sa inyo ha.
Wala lang ako ng mas malaking bag, te. Parang sakat.
Ito hindi na to.
Kasi nag-count na to sa inyo.
Why you feel cold? No cold.
Kasi nag-count na to?
I feel hot.
Hindi ko natapos.
Oo, malawag. Ako hindi pang takluban.
Kasi, nawawang nila na.
Lagay mo na lang.
Sige guys, mag-marites dito. Pag umatay ang anuhan. Masasupot natin.
Tomorrow, how many?
Is this one.
What? Show me.
What the name?
Show me, Mallu.
This one ba? What is this?
This is there.
They're all
Yes.
she
There.
put in the carton.
No.
That's why I asking.
This one, no?
She put the carton for
You see?
all that one.
Yes. All that one.
Why you put the new? That's why I asking. Are you sure you put that one?
Where I put one?
The carton.
Which one cartoon?
This one there, the new one. This one.
This one is also same.
Check. This one, bridal.
No. Okay, you check.
I
This is
checked
same.
already.
Okay.
Bridal, this one. This
Okay,
one
okay.
I don't know.
This is before. This is old one.
Popot. Okay, Popot. Yo. Are you sure? This one is there.
Yeah.
That's why.
I don't know. I don't put anything else.
Maybe that's for us.
Yeah, this is for you. This is for you. Same like you. You check.
Not same.
Not same.
That's maybe name. Please ask.
Okay, I don't know. This is bridal shower. Mallu.
What? Malo.
Maybe this one for other party. Why you?
Mat, toe sticker lang ulit. Toe sticker.
Okay.
Salem.
Chamka.
Kala ko si Salem.
Chamka, ladies.
Okay, kami. Gloves na kami. Wala ba tayong gloves?
Where you go?
It's inside. Actually, I have part-time in the house.
Where you go?
I can part-time.
Yeah, you.
And Jennifer, she doesn't want to take me here. Just kidding. Ito rin din.
Send me your number.
0544. I will text you later.
Yeah.
Iwan natin sa cooler na kaya to.
Ilan na tayo?
This is very important. I call.
Doon tayo kasi itapon ko ako. Dapat tayo kasama ngayon eh.
Kaya nga, dapat tayo dalawa na.
Oo.
Tapos si Jennifer sa galing.
Kasi
Why? You,
okay.
Oo nga daw.
what she asking?
Not for day. Another day. Where?
I tell you, there is.
No, that's why I'm scared because I'm so much for dalawa mo kami. Not for now. Be, ang tignoman sa inyo, mayroon. Oo. Pero hindi niya alam paano mag-operate ng... Ay, yan na ang galing ma. Hindi namin alam eh. Hello? Dali mo yung sabi. Sira na to, Sai.
Mallu, you are fighting. Mallu, you are fighting.
Mayroon siyang gas. I put the gas. You put the for... Wataling the one.
Wala yung tayo.
Imat, 3. Sa ito, pwede mo na. May tayo. Sa inyo yan. Nilabas ko na. Sa inyo yan. May pang-20 tayo. Ikaw na-check ng mga baso. Ano ba yung, bakit nakadikit na yan kasi yan? Wala na to. Tapos wala. Kanino yan? Hindi ko alam. Ewan pa ako kabilisan. Iwan pa ako na-check sa mga baso na. Hindi ko nga na-check. Hindi na natin yan. Hindi na yan natin. Tignan mo nga ang damit niyo. Kasi pa yung dalawa.
You go in Al Raba. You and one.
Me.
You. Both of. Really?
Ano ba ito si Sai? Wala ko sa utak. Hindi pa ako kumakain. Natulog ka sa sasakyan. Sa atin namin yan. Sa kanila yan. Ay, mayroon din kayo. Di ba? Tignan mo nga. Ayan mo lang ko pala lang kasi
Mallu,
si Jennifer
she's same like you. Same.
I don't know.
You know today. She is very nice. I tell about you. Mallu did not know you, na? That's why. I am telling.
We are the original original bloomer.
Yes, you are the original bloomer.
The small people before in Shanta, Madam House.
Yeah.
Wait a minute. What the name is one? What I will tell you.
What is your name?
Nanette.
Nanit.
Very good.
This one for you? No. Okay, okay, take it, take it. Okay, take it. How many time I tell Jennifer? Where is she? Where is
I
she?
have part-time in the house, that's why.
Oh.
And sometimes, I don't have part-time. I feel lazy. Want to lay down. Kanino to?
Ito sa amin to.
Ay, sa inyo to?
Kaya kanino yan?
Ito kanino to?
Ito yan sa inyo, panghat mo.
Ito rin ba?
Panghat nyo. May panghat sa amin to.
Meron na yun yan, ang kinuha na.
Wala na sa atin, te.
Be, ito to sa atin, hindi?
Hindi, te.
Oh. May pugas na tayo ito ba? Ha?
Ano ba sa tayo doon?
Sigurado kayo di sa atin to?
Oo, andun na yung panghat.
Uy, mag-sure pa. Kanino to? Kamay-kanto na tayo doon? Kanino
Wala
to?
pala.
May...
Ito, wag ko lang dala yun. Kinaano, basta ito yung gem.
Hoy, kanino yan? Sa hot yan.
Andun na yung panghat namin eh.
Kanino yan?
Oh, bakit same lang din?
Tatlo lang pag-sure. One yan. Dati kami natin.
Dalawa yun eh.
Meron na to kaming gato no.
Labi.
Yung gato. May gato na tayo nila. Ay, ito binigay na no. Dito, ball ko pala. Hoy, kape! Ang cappuccino, tingnan mo.
Meron na.
Lahat.
Bye-bye, take care.
Bye!
Bye-bye, take care.
Kanino nga yun? Sa inyo daw. Uniform ninyo, uniform.
Uniform, check uniform.
Ninyo, check ninyo, tulong ba?
Check uniform and accessories.
Tingnan mo, tingnan mo.
Accessories.
Accessories complete na to. Don't worry.
Okay.
Me and that one, no. Nasaan yung damit natin? Naku, babe.
Mallu, she is same like you. Don't be worried.
Because the uniform too much big now.
Allahu Akbar. What is she doing? And she did not wear big uniform.
My university ticket, I put there. Too much problem.
Who take it?
I will see. Taga saan ka?
She is
Sa Pilipinas.
same like you. I tell you.
Saan sa Caloocan?
You know,
Bagbag.
she give me many clothes.
Did not come here. You know, I have a lot, but I give to my other friends because I did not come here. I don't know what's your number because I have one baggage. I give to one Pakistani man.
Oh,
Because
okay.
yeah, yes, only for arrows also.
Oh, I need.
I don't know your number, Jennifer. I forgot to take
That's why the
Jennifer.
big problem, my
Oh.
uniform and
Now, what you do?
Can I do? I need to change another. Oh my God, who take it my uniform?
Oh my God, very big. I just like.
No, you wear this one belt. You wear a belt, no? No problem.
My belt type.
Yes.
So much lady problem. She take it my uniform. She take it the uniform. I put the uniform because I'm very small.
You and Mallu, same.
Small. Oh my God.
Just like I am old. See? Too much big. This is the smallest one, no?
You check which one is small one. Oh, Mallu.
Big problem. My uniform she take it. I have no uniform. Yep.
What? Palam. What she want?
Knife and
I told you. You teach me Filipino language.
you need to teach you the Filipino language.
Because I want.
One.
I need. All is Filipino. I did not understand what she asking me.
Malum, Arabic, Mapi Malum. Where's this one? My gloves. Oh my God, si Ticket. Oh my gloves. Too much problem this one.
Cutting board now.
Ang gloves ito, dinala. Iwan ko.
Okay, bye-bye.
Yung babae nagdala sa gloves ko. Nilagay ko nga. May nagdala. Ayun nga, problema ko. So much problem. Large yan? Ito, large din.
Hindi ko alam.
XL. Wala tayong magawa, din. Large na lang. Ah, kaya ang bulaklak. Ano bulaklak? Sa pasakal ka.
Must be madam, she don't buy the large or XL. Because in Shane is big size. And we are all Filipino.
Yeah.
Filipino is not
No. Some Filipino are.
some tall, but
Some are same like me.
yeah, of course, but not much.
Large na lang. Large
Mostly.
Yeah, mostly. Yes,
Large na lang,
yes.
di. Wala na tayong magawa.
I know. I told madam.
Yeah, must be not for me in the Shane, my size is
Small.
extra small.
Extra small.
Call my phone.
Mallu extra small. Check here.
Mape, extra small.
That's my size, not. Oh my goodness, very good.
Okay, no problem. We will.
Madam, tell the madam like this.
Okay, I will tell.
Not XL or double XL. We are not.
No, some ladies need.
But not mostly.
Yeah, not mostly.
Say at the test, she is tall, but she is thin.
Yeah, thin. Okay, close.